Hey everyone, I know that a lot of you right now in this weird time are setting up home offices, as am I actually. This is my setup right now. There is a lot that I can do and you guys can too, and that is why I'm making this video. I'm gonna tell you guys a bunch of different ways you can make your home offices more comfortable and more productive. Now, I also know Amazon is only sending out essential products right now, so I'm gonna be providing links in the description with places that are still shipping products. All right, here we go. First thing, let's start with some tools that you'll want to have at your new home office: mice, keyboards, and some webcams. So the company that I truly love, and this is not sponsored at all, is Logitech. So let me start with their mice. What I really like about Logitech mice is that they have Bluetooth connectivity and they also have the ability to switch between 3 different devices. They also have a really nice feeling in your hand, a very nice build. The more professional one is the MX Master 3. This one's really nice. I've used this and a few of my friends have it and we all really love it. Then the other one is the MX Anywhere 2S. Well, I know you're not really going anywhere, but you could in the future. And this one's also really great. This one's a little smaller, but it has all the same functionality and it's 20 bucks cheaper. Next, keyboards. So the one that I have is the wireless solar keyboard K750. It's only 60 bucks. And this one's really great because you can just throw it in the sun and charge it up and it will last a really long time. The only downside is you need to plug in a tiny USB receiver to your computer. I edit with it a lot and highly recommend that one. The other one I would recommend is the MX Keys. This one's got Bluetooth. What I like about this over the solar one is that it is backlit. This keyboard lasts you 10 days or 5 months without using the backlight. And it's only $99, $30 cheaper than Apple's, which isn't even backlit. Lastly, for Logitech devices, webcams. So I know a lot of us are using Zoom, Google Hangout, things like that. I have the HD one. This one was like 70 bucks, but they also have some really high-end ones. There's a 4K one called the Brio Ultra HD Pro webcam. And then there's also the Logitech StreamCam. This one's really built for streaming like video games and things like that. It has a camera and a microphone attached to it, but I know a lot of them are sold out on the website and I know this one isn't sold out. Next is sound. So I know a lot of you are probably stuck at home working with your roommates and you're probably gonna wanna block out some of the sound in your home. Here are a couple options. The first one are the AirPods Pro. Love these things. What's so great about them is that they have active noise cancellation. I actually reviewed these and I'll put that video in the description. I am so happy with these. The active noise cancellation is incredible, especially for the size. And what's so great about these is that you can run with them, you can work out, and then you can also use them in your home office. You can also easily switch between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac with these. If you're not a Mac user, then maybe you should look at something else. So I have another option, the Bose noise canceling headphones. They're obviously bigger than the AirPods Pro. Mine are this big. This is like a couple years old. The newer ones are nice. The newer ones are also wireless. These are amazing on the plane if we can go on one anytime soon, but they're also just really great. So if you don't mind something a little bigger, go with the Bose noise canceling headphones. Next up, if you guys are using a laptop, you definitely want to get a laptop stand. Right now, if you're looking at your laptop, you're kind of hunched over looking down. It's very low, so you're gonna get hunched over, you're gonna get bad posture. So in order to fix that, you can get a laptop stand and you'll basically be bringing your screen higher. Also, while on that subject, I recommend having a second display. That way you have more surface area. When you're looking for second displays, you wanna make sure you're getting a refresh rate of about 120 Hertz. That's what I recommend. I'll throw a few of the recommendations in the description. While on that subject, I made a video on how to use your iPad as a second display. I'll throw that video in the description too. Okay, I got 2 more things for you. First is an iPad keyboard. So if you guys are using an iPad or if you have one laying around and you want just a lightweight tool to use around your home, get the iPad keyboard. I just reviewed it. I reviewed a couple Logitech keyboards and the Apple one. I highly recommend having a keyboard with your iPad. Also, Apple is introducing mouse support for your iPad. So just watch that video and then imagine also using a mouse. It's gonna be incredible. Okay, lastly, I don't have this here, I need it, is a standing desk. So I have a couple companies that people have recommended. My friend Toby, who actually lives here, he has the Uplift, and then another friend of mine has the Fully. I'll put links to those right down there. So price-wise, they're about the same. I'd say anywhere from like $500 to $700. They have basically these really nice standing desks that you can personalize and have settings so that your, number 1 is for sitting, number 2 is for standing, number 3 is like somewhere in the middle. And then also they have things that you can put on top of your basic desk that you can just lift up, and then it creates like a standing situation. They even make treadmills that you can put down there and walk. So, those are options too. That's everything I have for you guys today. Please let me know if there's anything that you guys have added to your home office in the comments below. I want everyone to get some ideas. I want more ideas. Also, if you have any questions on anything that I brought up, let me know in the comments. I'm here to help. We all need to get through this together. That's the only way we're gonna do it. I've got a lot more coming your way. Stay tuned for a smart home series coming in this house in Palm Springs, sponsored by Philips Hue. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And I've got more Magic Leap videos, AR, really cool, can't wait. How do you guys see these? Subscribe right down there. Click a like if you enjoyed it. That's what I've got for you now. I'm Justin, and I'll talk to you later. Cool. I hope that the video looks okay. This is what it looks like. I'm a little oily, I realize, but whatever. It's like, do what I can.